Hello everyone, I am David Lewis. As a salesperson, we all know that when a customer makes a buying decision, they do so based on 4 factors. First, they must find a car they love. Second, they must like you. Third is that they feel comfortable doing business at your dealership. And then finally, fourth, obviously, is the price. Let's focus today on factor number 1, which again is they must find a car they love. And remember, nobody buys a car they do not like just because the price is discounted. The best way for the customer to find a car they love is for them to choose that car, not you. Any questions that you ask that lead them to a specific car can and will cost you a sale. Questions like, what is your budget? Is there a particular color you like? And what features and benefits are most important to you? I only asked 2 questions. Were you considering a new or used car? And then did you prefer a coupe, sedan, minivan, utility vehicle, or truck? That is all I need to know. Then based on that information, I take them to that area in our lot that represents the answers to those 2 questions. Then I do the hardest thing for a salesperson to do, and that is shut up. Stop talking. Be silent. I let them walk around, look at all the different colors, options, and window stickers. And you know what happens? You're right. They will pick the car that they love. And once they do that, closing that deal becomes so much easier.